Think you know your Hyundai inside and out? You might be missing some seriously useful tricks. Here are 10 hidden Hyundai features that many owners overlook. 10. Window control from the Key Fob. On many models, you can lower the windows remotely to let hot air escape before you get in. 9. Auto hold brakes. In traffic, auto hold keeps the car stopped after you press the brake, reducing fatigue and making stop-and-go driving more comfortable. 8. Rear occupant. Alert. The car reminds you to check the backseat before you leave. An important safety feature for families. 7. Drive mode select. Switching between eco, normal, and sport doesn't just change the throttle response. It can also alter steering feel and transmission behavior. 6. Wireless phone charging with cooling. Many newer Hyundais include a ventilated charging pad to help keep your phone from overheating. 5. Safe exit assist. The vehicle can warn passengers if another car is approaching before they open a door into traffic. 4. Highway driving assist. On equipped models, the car can maintain speed, following distance, and lane position to reduce stress on long trips. 3. Remote start and climate control. Using the Key Fob or smartphone app, you can pre-cool or preheat the cabin before stepping inside. 2. Blind view monitor. When you signal, a live camera feed may appear in the instrument cluster, showing areas your mirrors can't see. And number 1, customizable user profiles. Save your preferred seat position, mirrors, climate settings, and more, so the car feels perfectly tailored every time you drive. Feature availability varies by model and year, so check your owner's manual. You may already have some of these hidden gems waiting to be discovered.